Very first cake. And where did you get this cake, Matthew Valani?
I got it. I sent it away. Sent away for it.
And where did you send away for it?
From Lucky Charms.
Are you sure it didn't just come right in the package?
1 tablespoon. Here.
Sure.
I'll put it in and then you mix it in.
I mix it in.
Mix it, but without spilling it. Mix it good. Without spilling it.
Hey,
It'll be lumpy. A little bit. You gotta mix it without spilling it.
How do you turn into a cake? I'm making my own cake, and when you taste it, you'll think it's delicious, maybe.
I'll bet. You look
at
like you
barley.
know your
It's all
stuff
Honey,
there.
look at barley.
Get the edges like this. See?
You got it
Mix
on.
it in real good.
You got it on barley.
Keep mixing it.
Look at barley.
Hurry up.
Let's get the cake made, boy. We're getting sidetracked.
Sidetrack.
This
What's
is a video of Matthew's very first baked cake.
It's yummy. Mixing it in real good.
Yes, I can see that.
Scraping mixer.
Okay. Let me put it in the microwave now.
Is that all you add? It's just water.
That's it.
And then how long do you cook it?
Tell you what, it don't seem like there's near enough of water. It says it'll be lumpy, but my word, that couldn't be it.
Then, do you think you need more water?
Just a little bit, maybe.
Now, who's baking this cake?
Matthew. But now, mix it around. Mix it real good. I'll hold the pan.
Thank you so much. You helped
Now,
hold the pan.
spread it around like this here. Spread it even.
Now, who's baking the cake? Matthew Valani's baking. I'm baking the cake.
Okay, all the stuff that sticks to the pan, or the thing, scrape it off in the pan, because you'll need it all. You can use your finger. Go ahead, scrape it off in there.
And now what happens if it sticks to my finger?
You'll have to
Shake it off.
scrape it off on the side. That's it. Now, I'll put this in the oven for
Not the oven, the microwave.
microwave for 35 seconds.
I'll pick the power level.
No, you just regular power level. Just regular cooking.
Power level.
35. 3-5.
The power level.
No, just push no. 3-5. That's all. Oh, Matthew.
I'll do it. Now, who's baking the cake?
I don't know if somebody's being a little turkey. Start.
You like me baking the cake? Woo! Woo! Look at barley.
Yep. Any narrowing on barley here. Put barley up.
Must have ate or spilled some of the cake mixers. Where's the rest of it?
I didn't mean up.